Hey, this is Charlene Davis, and today I wanted to give you a quick review of the program $25 One Up. I have been with this program just a very short time, and in the last year and a half, I have really struggled to make any commissions online. Like anything, there is a significant learning curve. And, I've tried several programs, and this was the first program that I was able to earn my first dollars online. Plus, I've also discovered that it's very, very easy for anybody who's never worked or done anything in the online or digital marketing area. It's very easy for them to earn their very first commission within a short period of time, and I'll talk about why that is. So here's my quick review of $25 One Up. So first, when you open the program, it's very easy to understand, and the steps going down the side here, the different steps of things that you need to do, it really does walk a person through step by step on how to set up their back office, along with what's available at each different level. And I will go through the levels as well. So first of all, when you get started with $25 One Up, you will choose which level that you want to get started at. It's easy for the average person to get started because there's not a big out-of-pocket expense. So the first level is our gold level. When you get started, there's a $10 hosting fee, and that basically gives you access to all of your pre-made funnels, which I'll go through in a little bit. But then you pay $25 to come in at the gold level. So $35 one time will allow you to earn $25 commissions over and over, again, with a one-time fee. You can come in at the platinum level, and that is $100. So to come in at the platinum, it would be your $10 hosting fee, $25 for the gold level, $100 for the platinum level, so $135 all in. And if you're looking at this program and if you are serious about earning money online, I recommend at least coming in at the platinum level. At that level, you are now making $125 commissions. So that could really change your economy. $25, it's okay. It's money that you didn't have before, but it's not going to allow you to earn maybe thousands of dollars online every month, okay? If you come in at the platinum level, now you have the opportunity to earn $125 over and over and over. And if you have a couple of days where you're earning $100, $200, $300 a day, now you're looking at a couple $1,000s a month. So think about what you could do with that money. The other thing with this program is you can get into profit right away. So the first sale, when you have that sale, that goes to you, okay? So you're going to recoup your fees right away. And now from going there forward, you're going to be in profit mode. That second sale does get passed up to your sponsor, and that qualifies you at that particular level. And we do that because that sponsor is going to spend time with you, work with you, and I hope that they do that. I will do that for you. But then in the same regards, when you bring people in, their second sale will get passed up to you as well. So it really does create an atmosphere of working together and learning from one another. Okay, we do have a couple of other levels here which just opened. We have the diamond level, which is $250, or you can come in at the enterprise level, which is $500. Those levels could definitely be life-changing, and those are the levels where once you get working and starting to understand and get some momentum coming, you could be looking at $1,000 days, not just $1,000 months. So you always want to position yourself at the highest level that you can. If it's at gold, that is okay. Start there. Start learning and get a couple sales under your belt and upgrade when you can. Okay. Some people who have been at platinum for a while, as you can see, I have not upgraded yet, as I've only been at this a short time. They just opened those levels, and I wanted to get a couple other platinum sales under my belt before I upgraded. So that's a little bit how the levels work. And with that $10 hosting fee that I mentioned, this is really a business in a box, because we already have done for you funnel pages. If you don't know what a funnel is, it is a landing page where somebody goes and enters their email address, and then it takes them to the sales video. But that funnel captures their information, so that way you can continue to follow up with them through an email sequence. And the system has a built-in email sequence for you. So when somebody opts in, their email address is going to go right in your back office, and you'll see it in here. I'll show you a couple that I have in here, but I won't stay long. So you can see that I have their email addresses in here. What will happen then is the system will then send them a series of emails every single day, because not everybody looks and purchases and gets started right away. So again, business in a box. We have the funnel pages done for you. The emails are done for you. If you're a little bit more advanced, you can start creating your own email list using Aweber or GetResponse. And those programs can be linked in your back office as well through our area, the autoresponder area, okay? And I have my Aweber linked up to mine. So that way my contacts will go right over to my Aweber, and I can push them out emails when I need to. However, if you don't have that, we do have an area in here where you can send all of your contacts an email talking about yourself and becoming a little bit more personal. I just sent one out yesterday, so you can only send one out every few days. So that way not everybody gets a ton of emails. The products, so let's go into each level a little bit and what you get. So if you come in at the gold level, which is the $25 level, you will get all of the pre-written ads. All you have to do is copy and paste them. Copy and paste them in on your Facebook page, Facebook groups. And in my group, we show you some really great free traffic methods. We don't spend any money on traffic at this point. You can if you choose to. But if you're coming in at $35 and you don't have the money for that, that's fine. We have a ton of free traffic methods that if you're consistent and you work a little bit every day, you can make this happen just by doing that. So here's your pre-written ads. We give you a lot of things to think about when you're creating ads. Facebook groups, we have hundreds of them listed in here that you can join. Different ideas on how to promote your business, and of course, mindset training. Mindset is the most difficult thing for a lot of people, because people are coming from a 9-to-5 job environment where they have a boss. And it's really hard sometimes to keep yourself motivated. So it's very important that you do mindset training, not just in our back office, but find things on YouTube, make sure you're reading daily, things like that. So that's what you get with the gold level. The platinum level, you get everything that's included in the gold level, but then you get some intensive Facebook training, YouTube training, and Instagram training, okay? Then you can go to the diamond level. And again, the training gets a little bit more intense, learning how to market yourself. That we have a blueprint back here, email marketing, how to use Facebook Lives, and that comes with the diamond level. And the enterprise level, we talk more about mindset, this is really how to now scale up your business to earn more money. So this is very high level training at the enterprise level. Okay. Now, one of the things that my team does, I talked about free training, is we will teach you how to leverage free training on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. However, in order to get the blueprint that my team uses, and it's been very successful from the new person who's never done anything to the seasoned online marketer, you have to come in at the platinum level to get access to that blueprint and access to our team trainings and webinars. So you have to come in at the platinum level. So, so far in the short time that I've been with this company, it's been easy to use. I've got new people who have been coming in and earning commissions consistently. Other people on our team have new people coming in and earning consistently. And I do have some commissions and payment proof that I can show you here if I can find it. And again, keep in mind, I've been only with this a short time. So in the last month, it's been 5 weeks or so, $400. But this is new to me. So if you could make $400 in 30 days, would you do it from a $100 investment? Knowing that longer over time, you're going to make more than that. So let's show you real quick some of the other people that are in our group. So this gal, she's been doing this a little bit longer. So she made $300 just the other day. That was in one day. So the longer that you're doing this, you get better at it. And that's the key, better at it. And then you will earn more and you will earn it faster. This guy, $500 yesterday or the other day. And he's been doing this about 4 months or so. So he's really rocking it. I have to sneeze. I'm sorry. Kiki's brand new. And she made $25 the other day while she was sleeping. So if any of you are not familiar with what passive income is, this can create that for you. I was out with my daughter to a birthday dinner the other night, and I had $125 come into my account. And I was at dinner. That's passive income. I've also had a lot of my sales come in while I'm sleeping. That's passive income. James here, $125, and he's been working at this a couple of months. I want to say since July. So if you are willing to work, this is exciting. First sale here, 3 days, 3 signups in 3 days. That's great. So if you're willing to work and put in some effort, we want you on our team. We will share with you exactly how we're doing this and get you plugged into the program and get you earning right away. So again, I look forward to speaking with you. Comment below, click on the link, go ahead and get started. And I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Have a great day.